Social engineering, what is it, ma'am?
Social engineering involves our connection with various organizations or societies. However, some among them may try to cheat us by engineering an artificial concept or program which offers help to us in times of our needs.
But how would they do that on the internet, ma'am?
There are various ways, Rajesh. Let me tell you with an example. As human beings, we're taught to trust each other. However, this trust is breached by many people with wrong intentions for personal advantages. Similarly, on the internet, there are also users who use to misuse this network to cheat or steal from other people information which might come in handy to them to make an extra profit. This is called social engineering. These intruders exploit the network by engineering such programs which trap unsuspected users into sharing personal information with them. After getting this information, they use it to manipulate the person. Take, for instance, a situation where a person receives an email from a fraud organization offering a lucrative job. Many among us will take this offer seriously, and as emails continue, they may send personal information as required by such organizations. Ultimately, what happens? We disclose so much personal information to an unknown organization that they will take advantage of the situation. The job offer remains a fake screen to hide their real intention. Can you see the danger to your personal side?
Oh, this is really a very dangerous situation. We use the internet for so much purposes. Emails and offers from various agencies are regular. So we need to be very careful against such activities, Nandita ma'am.
Definitely, Rajesh. There are various ways they try to intrude into the personal system through the internet.
Really? What are the common possibilities that we who use the network may be invaded, ma'am?
Let me tell you about the various threats then, Rajesh. Social engineering can be best defined as an act of deceiving someone to manipulate him or her into disclosing information which is confidential or personal and then using it for fraud.
Besides spam mails, how do they do it, ma'am?
Well, there are many other ways too when it comes to the internet. Let me explain them to you one by one. Among the most common other possibilities, social engineering involves phishing, whaling, baiting, and pretexting emails. These are the most common forms of programs used by intruders to invade into personal systems of ordinary users.
Phishing, whaling, baiting and pretexting emails. What are these, Nandita ma'am?
Well, let me explain all of these precautions to you one by one.